How to add GIFs to your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to insert a GIF anywhere into your Shopify store, simply head on over to your Shopify store customizer by going into your dashboard, click on online store. Once you click on online store, click on customize over here. Once you click on customize, you're going to click on add section and then scroll to the bottom and click on custom liquid. Once you do that, you're going to go on ahead and go into Jiffy or anywhere where you want to take your GIFs from and choose any GIF that you want. I'll just search for a really cute cat because I love cats. So let's say it's this GIF we want to insert. So what you're going to do is click on embed on the right and then keep this as a non-responsive GIF and then just copy the code. Go back into your store editor and then click on custom liquid and then paste in the liquid code over here. Once you do that, you can also adjust the padding as well as the theme of this particular section. And then you can also customize the appearance of the via Jiffy at the bottom by removing this little end line over here. Now, if you want to adjust the size of your GIF, you can also do that. So if I want to make the height larger, I'll go on ahead and retype this, and this will actually increase the overall widget size that it has. Then you have the width as well. So if I go with 580 like this will customize the width as well. So let's say I go into 980 like this, it will just increase the size and you can have it centered as well. Once you do that, just click on save on the top right and your GIF will be inserted. Now, the alternate way to do this is by going into your pages on Shopify. Once you go into your pages, click on the page you want to insert your GIF into. So we have our contact page over here. And I'll click on the page, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a different GIF. So I want this to be a call. So let's say I want to use this GIF over here, and then I'll click on embed and copy the code in the same way. Once you have this opened up, your page, your pages section, click on this icon over here. This is a show HTML icon, and you're going to paste in the code. Once you do that, you can pretty much do the same thing where you can remove the via Jiffy over here and then also adjust the width. I'm going to adjust the width as well as the height of the GIF. So I'll go for 980 and 580 and then click on save. Once you click on save, you can click on view page and your GIF will now be inserted like this into your page. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.